Hi, I'm Jetty from Bayway. Everybody knows that they need to change their oil, but not everybody knows they need to check their oil level. It's super easy, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First step, you want to pop your hood. Usually there's a button or lever to the left of the steering wheel on the lower area of the dash. On this Jeep, it's right here on the outside, so we've already popped it. Second step is, once you pop the hood, you want to open it. There's usually a lever right here in the center of the hood. You can slide your finger and open it up. Then you want to safely secure it. Pull down the bar and secure it right here in the front. Next, you want to find your dipstick. It's usually a little ring marked in yellow, and you want to pull that out and then wipe off the excess oil prior to inserting it and checking your level. Remove it again and check to see your oil level. If it's in the safe zone, you're good to go. If it's a little low, you can add a quart yourself or bring it here to Bayway Service and we can help you out. It's very important to make sure you check your oil level because if it's low, it can lead to damage to your vehicle and costly repairs.